Hello, good afternoon Pesona Inspira. How are you today? It's glad to see you again. It's glad to hear our voice again. Kayaknya udah lama banget nih Iqbal nggak menyapa Pesona Inspira yang ada di rumah, terutama di program I Can Speak. As usual, setiap hari Senin kita akan menyapa Pesona Inspira di program yang akan mengupas tuntas tentang berbagai hal, tentunya lain daripada yang lain because we're using English language as our main language. And not only Iqbal, I'm gonna be accompanied by four special guests. It's a bit unusual than the previous episode because another episode is gonna be like two or three special guests, but for today's episode, it's super duper special because we have four special announcers.
Yes.
Yay! Give us applause.
Okay.
Okay, without any further ado, maybe we need to know para member-member yang hari ini sudah memenuhi studio Radio Pesona. So please introduce yourself.
From me?
Yes, from the older
Hello,
first.
everyone. Nice to meet you. I'm Marvin from GKT48.
Yeah.
Boleh.
Wow. I just know that JKT48 right now accept a man member.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hello everyone. I am Cahyani Moifaki. You can just call me Wifa. I am from SMA Negeri 1 and I am a member of Neo English Club. English
Yeah,
Club.
Neo English
Okay.
Club.
This is your second time being here.
Yes.
Is
It's
it
my second time.
different vibe, or you still got nervous or anything?
No, I think now I can be more relaxed.
Oh yeah, because the previous episode it's already become your experience.
Yes.
So you already know what to do, right?
Yes.
Okay, next to the next member.
Hello, I'm Karisa Faustin Ulina. Hi, I'm also the member of Neo English Club from SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo.
Yeah, this is also your second time being here.
Yes.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling more excited than before.
More excited than before because
I was
because
nervous.
the title for today's topic it's so something.
Yeah.
It's really something.
It's really
It's
something.
really something.
Okay, for last our special announcer.
Hi Pesona Inspira, my name's Ananda Nur Rahmadanti. I'm in the second semester of English Education Department in University Science of Al-Quran.
Okay. Woo! I think it's been 2-3 months since
Maybe like 2.
2 months since
Yeah.
I met you. Like the last thing is we're talking about
Adulthood maybe.
adulthood,
With,
right?
Yeah, with Miss Wilford.
Adulthood, yeah.
Yeah.
Because even the previous episode, you just with Valia, not with me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do remember because I have event that I need to attend.
Mhm.
That's why I can join with I Can Speak. But glad to know you here again.
Yes,
Kan udah
good
mulai
to
kangen
see you.
ya.
Aduh.
Iya, kan udah lama banget kan gak ketemu sama anak-anak Unsi karena beberapa episode belakangan kita bareng guru-guru dari berbagai macam sekolah yang ada di Wonosobo. Oke, untuk topik hari ini siapa yang mau nge-reveal topik ya?
Pak Arfi.
Oke.
Come on.
The one who choose the topic.
What
Yeah.
you say? Come
He's
on.
the one who
The
chose
one
the
who chose.
topic.
About what? Tell me
Time
about.
travel.
We got
like,
3.
or alien sighting. So
Alien
we're
sighting.
actually gonna talk about a lot of things today.
A lot of things
Yeah,
today.
a lot of interesting things.
Yeah. Actually, I just know the topic in this morning.
Oh my
God.
Valia sent me the topic. Iqbal, we're gonna talking about these things, and the announcer will be A, B, C, D. So maybe you can read the topic or the them about our discussion for today, and then when I open the document, I'm gonna be like, okay, we're gonna talk about this time traveler. Okay, what should I do about this? Haruskah saya mengaku berasal dari masa lalu?
Okay, so I'm gonna do provoking you, like
Yeah.
everyone. Like,
Please provoke
I do
me.
believe in alien.
You do believe in alien?
Yeah.
Why? I mean,
Why?
like a lot of people think that alien is some kind of like
Fictional. Yes.
fictional.
Oh, it's not
It's like a
fictional.
fantasy even. Why?
Alien is real.
Why?
I do believe it because they're human being, just like us, from very, very long time ago.
Okay.
And they just like seeking for refugee, like
Mm-hmm.
looking just because of war, maybe Mahabharata wars.
Wow.
It's a long
From
history. Okay.
Alien to Mahabharata, it's kind of
Okay,
like
okay.
a long journey.
I didn't expect it.
Like just world war, like or maybe global scale disaster.
Oh,
And
okay.
they seeking for a new place.
Ah.
They're
Mm.
just riding their what's that called, soldier,
Okay,
a
okay.
flying soldier, and actual they now we could see them just because they jumping out
Oh,
the time
okay, okay.
line or
I get it, I
something
get it, I
like
get it.
that.
I'm not trying to mocking the things that you're believing. Forgive me before
Yeah.
I'm saying this, but I ever saw the movie called Prometheus.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever watched that kind of movie?
No.
It's a
No.
movie
Wow.
about asal muasal dari seluruh makhluk hidup.
Wow.
Quite
So,
interesting.
but it's a
Yeah.
fiction,
Oh,
not
it's-
something that you
yeah,
could
okay,
believe
okay.
it. It's a fiction that actually all of human being, all of the creature on Earth is from one single alien. Jadi kayak sebenarnya asal muasal dari seluruh makhluk hidup tuh kayak alien, and human try to find the truth about where they came from, tentang asal muasal DNA-nya, dan ternyata manusia ini berasal dari alien yang DNA-nya dipecah belah dan something
my
like
God.
that.
That's true.
Wow.
That's true. That's true.
Wow.
That's true.
That's true. The
Karena
alien-
balik lagi kalau kita mungkin membahas tentang asal muasal manusia, banyak versinya
Yeah.
kayak
Mhm.
Darwin menganggap bahwa manusia berasal dari kera.
Yeah.
Because we're Muslim, we believe that we came from Nabi Adam.
Yeah.
Something like that. We
Yeah.
believe in a different kind of version. How about you guys? Which one that you're believing?
Of course, I believe in my religion. Like,
Okay, forgive me. Besides
Besides religion,
beside religion,
maybe.
beside religion, from mungkin teori konspirasi, which one is the most possible thing that could be happen?
well, maybe like from the Darwin one because it's,
Of course.
you know,
The evolution
yeah,
theory.
Yeah.
the
Okay.
evolution theory.
What about you?
I think for me like for the Darwin theory itself kayak ada kayak kalau di film tuh namanya plot hole.
Oh, okay.
Kalau
Yeah.
di teorinya sendiri kayak there's something wrong.
It's a blank
Okay.
space.
Ah,
Yeah.
ada
Yeah.
kayak jumpingnya
Yes,
ya dari
yes.
satu ke yang lain ya.
Uh-huh.
Oke. How about Nada? Which one that you believe in?
I do agree with what's your name?
Karissa.
Karissa, yeah. I do agree with Karissa. Yeah, because kayak ever since we were all in like primary school and stuff
Oh,
in
yeah,
school,
yeah.
the Darwin theory is like very familiar for us. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I feel
Oh,
agree with her.
Because we thought orang-orang mengajari itu dari usia kita yang
Yeah,
cukup
yeah,
belia
yeah.
juga
Ever
kan.
since
Jadi
we were a kid.
whether we like it or not, we
Yeah.
try to
Yeah.
believe it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all we know.
Gimana nih
That's
Pak?
all
Ini
we
ternyata
know.
teori konspirasinya tidak
Okay, do you
sekuat
think-
itu ini
Do you
Pak.
think
Gimana?
we're from like we're actually aliens?
Yeah.
Come on.
I gonna say.
Okay,
there's
how about
something
you?
About this, even our textbook tell us that we are from.
Kera.
That's it. Come on, man. So actually, if we came from monkey and Sims and so on, it must we couldn't find monkey right now.
Yeah.
Because the
Oh,
monkey,
yeah.
That's
Yeah.
that's
yeah,
the,
they have
Every
already
monkey will
literally
be
evolved.
humans, right?
Yeah,
Like,
it will be human.
Ah,
Okay, can I say something? One more.
Yeah,
about
yeah.
if you said it's about religious, how if Adam and Eve came from another planet? That's all.
Oh,
They
so
are
Yeah.
from another planet.
yeah, they
yeah,
say
yeah,
like
yeah.
they're punished and kicked out from the heaven.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
if heaven is actually some other planet in the universe?
Yeah, what if ya?
It could be possible.
Jadi
I mean, like,
kepikiran.
iya kan?
Dipikir-pikir jadi kepikiran.
Iya kan, sebenarnya gitu. Kalau misalnya Adam dan Hawa itu sebenarnya memang diusir dari surga. What if the heaven actually exists, but it's from another universe? Like there is some planet that actually too good to be true.
That's
Yeah.
With sungai-sungai yang dialiri dengan susu.
Oh, just like the song.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that one song. Okay, I
So
forgot.
poetic.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Okay.
Astagfirullah. But
Mas Iqbal, it's Mas Iqbal, not me, okay? It's Mas Iqbal.
Klarifikasi,
Let's pull back the things that we're talking about. Why you choose this kind of topic for today's discussion?
Because it's safe.
Because come on, no.
Because it's debatable. I think it's debatable. It's very interesting issue and here I will be the mock up guy.
No one agrees with you here.
Yeah, I know it. No one's agree, but I try to express ideas.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what if some random guy or some random woman suddenly appear in front of you and they're talking like, I'm actually coming from 10,000 years after you die, and I'm your grandkids,
Oh
and
my
I'm
God.
trying
Oh
to
my God.
warning you about your death. You rather to believe that person or you rather to suggest that person go to the hospital?
Yes.
Which one that will
Yeah,
happen?
I'm gonna answer it the last. Okay, you first.
Okay.
Okay, what about Nanda first? What would you do if that kind of random person suddenly
Yeah,
appear in front of you?
That sounds pretty scary.
Yeah.
To be honest, like
Zaman sekarang
yeah,
nggak sih?
yeah. Imagine like a random person come to you and like, I come from 10 years ago. What am I gonna do? I probably ke Magelang aja Pak. Magelang aja Bu.
Saya bikinin surat
Yeah,
rujukannya.
Like a medical checkup.
Or something like that.
Yeah.
How about you guys? I mean, you guys are still young. I mean,
Okay.
your mind must be wild and something like that.
Yeah. If I met like that person, I would ask him like, how my life would be.
Something like that. Oh, so the first thing that you do is try to convince yourself.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. Well, I would not believe him, but like I would just ask him for fun, like, what I'm going to
yeah,
do,
yeah. Let's
like
not
in the
take it too
future.
serious.
Yeah.
Kayak iseng-iseng ya kalau bener
Yeah.
lumayan lah ya bisa
Yeah.
menghindari hal-hal buruk gitu.
Betul.
Yeah. Just for
Oh, yeah.
fun.
Oh, for me, I think aku sama sih kayak Karisa.
Yeah.
Kayak I was just like ask them, gimana nih kalau misalkan aku kayak gini gimana ya?
Yeah.
Itu matinya emang kayak gitu bener.
10 tahun lagi jadi apa nih gitu.
Like all of us is always asking about the way we dead. But
Yeah.
why you're not asking about who is our kayak jodohnya siapa gitu
I
nggak
would
sih?
ask him. I would ask him that.
Daripada
actually.
nanya aku meninggalnya
Yeah.
tanggal berapa
Spill
gara-gara
ya.
apa?
Yeah,
Lebih
spill
memper
everything you
Spill
know.
my
lebih
Waduh.
mempermudah kalau misalnya yang jadi suami aku kira-kira gimana?
Yeah.
Sekalian kan nanya gitu untuk mempermudah dan mempercepat bertemu dengan jodoh.
Yeah.
Betul. Spill the tea ya.
Yes, spill the tea, spill
Supaya
everything.
melewati orang-orang yang tidak perlunya itu dipersingkat
Oh my
aja.
God.
Yeah, bener.
Pak Arfian sudah beristri masih ingin bertanya seperti itu.
No, like there is a theory about if you find someone in the future. You find someone from your past, it will change your future.
Oh, oke.
The shift happen.
Oh,
For example, you go for your next husband or like you're the future husband, like, and you say something, but what happened? It's changed, right?
Yeah.
It'll
And
change.
the logic.
It's almost like have you ever watched like a Spider-Man multiverse
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
Doctor Strange?
Multiverse.
When you try to change the past, it's not changing the future, but it's make like a multiverse
Yeah.
dimensions,
Mhm,
like
yeah.
Like
making another possibility, something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
Mhm.
Parallel.
Parallel
Yeah.
universe.
Yeah,
Jadi there's a one theory. It's about grandfather and grandson theory.
Mhm.
What if you killed your grandfather
Mhm. I
in the past?
I
Yeah.
couldn't do that.
Then you're not gonna be born in the future.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then you're not gonna kill your grandfather in the past. Jadi
Oh.
pada dasarnya teori itu muncul, misalnya kamu membunuh kakekmu di masa lalu, berarti kan kamu tidak akan terlahir di masa
Iya.
depan.
Iya.
Dan kalau
And
kamu
you're not
tidak
gonna
terlahir
kill,
di
ya.
masa depan,
Iya.
kamu tidak akan membunuh kakekmu di masa lalu.
Oh my God,
Gitu.
that's
Makanya
crazy.
yang teori yang lebih mudah dipercaya adalah akan muncul yang namanya parallel
Parallel.
universe
parallel.
gitu. Adanya percabangan. That's the theory. But we never know though.
we never
Yeah.
We never know though.
We never
Oh,
know.
but which one do you believe in? That your action can cause the future, or it may be cause a parallel universe? Which one that you guys believing in?
I think for me more like what you choose. What
Okay,
you
okay.
choose this time, what
Will
Like-
cause
Affect the future.
Affect the
yes,
future.
because
Yeah.
karena kalau misalkan kita cuma buat satu perbedaan yang kecil aja, kita
Mhm.
mesti would like be more different in the future, just
okay,
like
okay,
Yeah.
just a
Uh-huh.
slight
Slightly
something
different. Gitu.
different in the past would be like big different in the future.
So
Big
that's mean
impact ya.
every little
Big
decision
impact
is
in the future.
important, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. How about you guys?
Wow.
Well, yeah, I also believe like Mbak Wifa, but it's interesting to know like if we actually have you know our other self in parallel universe, and I hope she's living her best life gitu. Iya kan?
Yeah,
it's
that also
interesting,
can
like-
be happen. Like
yeah.
somehow maybe ada beberapa situasi that we can really choose the thing that we want to.
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to choose the things that other people choose that for me, for
Yeah,
us, something like
yeah.
that. So we wish like maybe there's another me in another universe. They can choose every single thing that they want,
Yeah.
something like that. Okay, I can feel that sometimes.
Okay.
Oh, Nanda.
Well, maybe to be realistic, we're just gonna be believe in that kind of mindset, which is like whatever that we think these days, whatever that we act. I'm sorry, whatever that, however we act these days is gonna impact in the future. But like sometimes I also think, what if?
What
Yeah, kan?
if?
Yeah, what
The
if?
possibility
Yeah.
always be
What
there.
if there are some other civilization out there that we just never, Yeah. If you guys already know, apa ya? Sometimes orang ngomongin about Saranjana.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
There's
I
actually a
love that kind
movie
of
about
topic.
it.
Yeah. It's like more further civilization. It's
Yeah.
like there's a lot of new technology and
Yeah.
something like that. But
Yeah.
somehow it's also a more supernatural.
Yeah,
thing.
Yeah,
just like
yeah, yeah.
Atlantis.
Yeah.
Yeah, Atlantis.
Jadi gabungan antara teknologi dan supranatural ya.
Agree.
Oke, Saranjana. Itu kayak topik yang cukup menarik, apalagi kan belakangan ini ada filmnya juga
Yeah.
kan.
Yeah.
They're talking a lot about Saranjana, and a lot of people also saying that I ever saw Saranjana, and in my dream I
Yeah.
ever being taken to
Yes.
that place, something like that. Agak takut juga sih, kan
Yeah.
tiba-tiba lagi tidur dibawa ke sana.
Yes.
But the possibility always exists. Kalau Pak Arvin
Yeah.
gimana? Percaya Saranjana juga?
Oh, I
nggak?
do believe in Saranjana.
Yeah, right.
Why you believe it? I mean, like it's
They
more
say
close to
It's
fiction.
500 more than us. Like the civilization, the culture, the technology, and thing is about 500 years
Oh.
apart from us.
Whoa.
Oh.
That's why I mean, like maybe they do such kind of hologram to
Oh.
hide the position of their city. I do believe in that.
Okay.
Oh
When
my
you talk
god.
about hologram, I was like remembering some scene from Godzilla X Kong
Godzilla
Empire.
X Kong.
Empire.
I watched that
There's
one.
like some, I don't know, kayak selaput or something
Mm-mm.
that hide.
Oh
the-
yeah, the civilization,
Yes,
the
yes.
tribe.
Mhm.
What kind of tribe? What the name of the tribe? I'm kind of like forget about the name of the tribe.
Yeah.
Ada suku apa
Yes,
gitu.
that suku like
Mm-mm.
hide it from.
So they try to protect their culture
Yes.
using the technology.
Yes.
Yeah. That's why.
Why do they want to protect from us? Like,
Just because we are too toxic for her.
Yeah.
Probably could be.
That's true. That's true.
I
Could
can
be.
agree with that, but that's too true. Because sometimes when we discover something new, we're not trying just to adopt the culture,
Yeah.
but we try to adjust the culture and
Yes.
make them change just the way we want.
oh yeah.
Oh, kan kadang kalau misalnya kita menemukan suatu culture yang bagus, kita nggak cuman pengen ngeadopsi culture-nya itu,
Yeah.
tapi kita
Yeah.
juga pengen orang-orang mereka
We
juga
want to change
berubah
it.
sesuai
Yeah.
standarnya kita gitu
Yeah,
kan.
and they don't want to change.
Yeah.
Probably.
Sometimes they just want to protect the culture, like the Badui.
Oh
In
yeah.
Indonesia, we
Yeah,
have the
yeah,
Badui.
yeah.
They totally reviews the technology. They reviews
Yeah,
the
they're-
civilization that people try to bring to them because they want their culture is totally pure.
Yes.
They
Yeah.
want the religion is totally pure, something
Just
like that.
Yeah, original culture, you know.
Dan because of that, jadi mereka kayak memang punya identitas yang memang melekat
Yeah.
di diri
Yeah.
mereka kan.
That's
Jadi
how they
Unique
live
gitu,
though.
ya.
Gitu.
They even reviews like electricity.
Yes.
Yeah, their
Yeah,
reviews.
yeah, yeah.
Not just
City.
electricity, their reviews like kayak alas kaki.
Yeah, yeah, they're not wearing it.
They're not
Oh my
wearing
God.
it.
Especially Baduy
Baduy
Dalam,
Dalam.
as far as I know.
Bener-bener. One of my friends have visit Badui, and then the most shocking thing is they already do arrangement married since they're very little kids, like even from a couple months when they're just a couple months. And
Oh my god.
perjodohan itu nggak cuman bapakku dan bapakmu berteman, mari kita jodohkan. Nggak kayak gitu. Jadi
It's not that
there's
easy.
some
ada
Yeah, yeah,
culture-nya,
yeah.
ada religionnya, ada alasan kenapa keturunan yang ini harus bertemu dengan keturunan apa gitu. This is so complicated reason.
There is weton there maybe
Weton, but
in a different way.
in my village, in my society, in my environment, and they're still using weton to choose the
Yeah.
best date to get wedding, to get married, something like that. Have you ever
Yes,
experienced it?
so do I.
Sorry. Has Mr.
You.
Arvian experienced weton?
Yeah, I
We
do
haven't
believe
though.
it's not about. I think it's all about cosmos thing.
Cosmos
Cosmos.
thing.
What is
Chakra.
Chakra. It's all about
Chakra.
religion. Not religion, but energy.
Energy. The
It's not
energy
about
in
religion, it's
on
energy.
specific day it could be different.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
We couldn't say it's wrong. It's good. It's bad, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But I do respect. About
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because all of my friends who already get married, they don't actually believe in weton, but because their parents do believing
Oh,
it,
yeah.
just to make it easy and not arguing too much, kayak ya udahlah daripada berantem
Yeah.
dan berkebajam,
Yeah, yeah,
ya udahlah
yeah.
ikutin aja toh cuman pemilihan tanggal
Yeah.
aja yang penting nggak
Yeah,
hujan gitu.
Yeah. Rain is more important.
Iya, apalagi kalau mau yang
It's the
outdoor
most
outdoor.
important
Yeah.
though. How's the weather?
Yeah.
kan,
Weekend, weekdays.
Yeah.
Back to the Badri things, I found some article. They said Badri people who's traveling so far away,
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
they using I don't know what is it called, a knowledge. It's not a knowledge. It's just kind of like magic, you know.
Oh magic.
They could
Pesulap
travel-
merah.
Oh my god.
travel like
Okay.
without getting tired, you know.
Oh.
Without getting tired, just because I don't know, in bahasa they said mereka itu melipat bumi, like
Oh.
Oh yes.
Oh, I
It's like
just-
a portal.
heard
I
any
know,
of
I know.
that.
Heard
it's
that.
Never
like
heard any of
portal.
that.
Oh, just like
Wow.
the theory that untuk menghubungkan satu titik di titik yang lain dalam kertas kan biasanya orang narik garis lurus,
Yeah.
but they flip it.
They
Yeah,
flip
I
it.
mean, yeah.
Buat titiknya itu saling menempel
Yeah.
satu
Oh,
sama
biar
lain.
deket ya, biar deket.
Mm-mm.
The ability is called melipat bumi, but I don't know the English word for this.
Kok kita nggak berasa digoncang?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Kalau bunyinya
That's only
dilipat.
Wait,
Doctor
I
Who.
want
Aja
to
ya.
learn that knowledge, you know.
I mean like nowadays macet
Practical.
everyone, traffic jam
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah.
We need that kind of knowledge.
Yeah, I think it's related to relativity theory about Einstein said when you go to some for example, you travel to Bali, okay?
Yeah.
You go and you're going back. Which one is fastest? Which one
go
is
back.
You go
faster?
back.
When
We go back. We go back. We feel it's fast, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
like every time we
Faster,
traveling,
yeah,
go
every
back
time.
always
Yeah.
feel faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? What's that happen?
I don't know. Maybe it's
Karena
related
ngantuk
to
kali ya
that
kita
thing.
tidur di jalan.
I've like watched one video about this because when waktu kita berangkat tuh we haven't saw anything like
Oh.
kalau kita di jalan kita baru ngelihat oh kanannya ini kirinya
Oh,
ini.
Yeah.
we feel new
Yeah.
experience.
Yes.
Yes.
But when we go back we already saw it and we like oh ya
Ya,
udah
sampai
it's
sini
not
aja.
like something new and our brain was like we tend to ignore it and that's why we feel it faster than when we
How if you take different route?
Oh, well.
Kebetulan berangkatnya naik kereta, pulang naik pesawat. Ah, oke, boleh
Iya, lebih
juga.
cepat pesawat.
Boleh juga teorinya. Iya balik lagi tuh teorinya.
Iya.
Boleh juga, but the people like from the old times, like mungkin orang-orang di kerajaan zaman dulu kan, they're not were just using alat tempur kan, mereka
Yeah.
juga melakukan ilmu-ilmu.
Yeah.
that's
Like
true.
kayak beberapa di kisah-kisah zaman legenda kan mereka sebelum pergi berperang kayak they're meditating,
Yeah.
kayak
Yeah.
bermeditasi,
It's tradition thing.
looking for wangsit, you know.
Yeah.
Wangsit, ilham,
Jimat kebal.
jimat kebal, batu,
Oh.
apa
Jadi
gitu.
Iya.
naga juga berarti.
Oh,
Mas.
jadi naga ular kayak FTV sebelah ya.
Aduh.
Yeah, FTV sebelah. But there really exists maybe in like maybe 1,000 or maybe 2,000 years before this. They're using like a supernatural power. But
Yeah.
nowadays we're more using like bom atom,
Oh,
lah,
yeah.
senapan,
Oh
kan,
my god,
something
more
like
violent.
that. Jadi mungkin
Yeah, I do believe in that because they say our world Earth has pernah canggih, you know.
Oh
yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
The
3
civilization
times.
ever more kayak lebih canggih zaman
Yeah.
dulu
Yeah.
gitu
Yeah,
kan.
like, and we go back reset just because the atomic bomb or something, and we go back to dark ages, just because Einstein have ever he said like if there will be World War III.
Yeah.
He don't know what is the best weapon using in World War III, but in the World War IV, we only using stick and stone.
Oh, so it's repeat to the dark era.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the dark era.
Okay. So actually, we're not become more civilization with our technology, but we just repeat because maybe karena sekarang juga teknologinya semakin canggih kan, our resources become more less,
Yeah.
kayak lebih berkurang gitu kan
Yeah.
sekarang.
Yeah.
So maybe far away in the future in the World War IV, karena resource-nya juga sudah berkurang,
Yeah.
they're just only using
Stick and
stick and
Stick and
stone gitu ya. Itu
Kinda
make
makes
sense.
makes sense.
Itu bukan konspirasi, itu
Yeah.
make sense. That one is make sense.
Yeah.
Okay, we're still going to talking about a lot of things, especially about alien, maybe any supernatural thing, about time traveler, and maybe people, a lot of people who pernah mengaku menjadi time
Time
traveler.
traveler.
Ini
Oh.
banyak orang, terutama saya ternyata.
Oh, really?
Terutama saya. Tapi kita akan membahas setelah yang satu ini. Jadi buat Pesona Inspira jangan kemana-mana. Untuk yang mau bergabung, silahkan bisa di nomor WhatsApp Radio Pesona ada di 0823 2383 9996 dan kita akan kembali sesaat lagi.
I can
speak. Oke Pesona Inspira, welcome back to I Can Speak, still on 92.1 FM Pesona Radio, your best information station. And we're still with our special announcer for today's episode, and we're still talking about a lot of conspiration theory. We're
Whoa.
already talking about time traveler,
Yes.
alien, supernatural, someone from the past and someone from the future.
Wow.
And let's talk about time traveler. You have the data about which one who mengaku-ngaku nih sebagai time traveler. Kalian tahu nggak ada siapa-siapa aja yang pernah mengaku di dunia ini sebagai time traveler? Dan apakah sebenarnya kalian ada yang kalian percaya nggak sih di antara sekian banyak orang? Mungkin pengakuannya sangat meyakinkan kayak gitu. Ini siapa nih yang mau reveal orang-orang yang pernah time traveler? Should I start go first?
I've been traveling from the past. Because I'm time traveler, no.
And I warn you, you're gonna be my wife or something like that.
Digeblak aja.
Okay. Maybe from Nanda first.
Okay.
The first one who maybe time travelers. You know someone who traveled the times.
John Titor maybe or something.
Yeah, someone like
It's
that.
like the OG of the time traveler
Yeah.
theory, I guess.
Yeah. It's but like maybe someone like Isaac Newton. Maybe he ever convinced about the theory about time traveler, and suddenly someone, to memperkuat teori itu sebenarnya saya juga seorang penjelajah waktu. Seperti itu. Ada nggak sih orang-orangnya gitu yang pernah time traveler gitu? Orang-orang
I
terkemuka.
found from TikTok someone forgot the name, but still remember what he did. He did like take the picture
Oke.
of many places, but seems like something globally happened, like just like disaster or war.
Okay.
Forgot, but he took the picture, but revealed after some time. It revealed that it's an AI.
Oh, actually, it's an AI, not the true time traveler.
Yeah, I don't want to say. I don't want to say that too many time traveler just want to like what to be pick me up. Apa ya bahasa anak sekarang tuh pick me.
Pick me,
Apa?
pick me girl.
Yeah.
Pick me.
I'm a time traveler just
Oh
to
my
be. Dia tuh cuman caper gitu.
Oh,
kan.
yeah.
Oh iya, nyari
Yeah,
perhatian.
seeking
doang.
attention.
I think like
Just-
most of the time travelers are like, they're just asking for attention.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
only for attention. Just like when you find a teacher or maybe lecturer, they say, "I could read your mind." That's
Oh.
awesome.
I know when you're cheating. Something like that.
I
yeah.
could read your mind. I know who you are. That's bullshit. Seriously.
Tapi mungkin ada salah satu yang paling meyakinkan adalah the one is like an old movie. It's hard to prove it. Like mungkin kalau film-film zaman sekarang kan bisa dianalisis secara digital,
Yeah.
frame by frame gitu kan. Adanya editing atau enggak. But an old movie, sometimes it's hard to identify, right? And like in the Charlie Chaplin movie, there's one woman that using she looks like using something like a cell phone, something like that. But it's hard to be proven, like sulit untuk dibuktikan kan? Karena
yeah.
film zaman dulu mau dibilang editan juga takutnya kayaknya zaman dulu belum ada editan kan?
Belum
atau
ada
mungkin
keren
itu.
atau mungkin sebenarnya itu film zaman dulu tapi diedit lagi oleh orang-orang zaman sekarang itu kan memang it's hard to believe it, sulit juga untuk dibuktikan kayak gitu kan. Jadi ada salah satu scene movie di Charlie Chaplin memang kayak like there's a one woman like walking by with a holding something like a cell phone on her ear and she looks like talking to someone, but in that kind of era there's no cell phone, they're still using a public cell phone, something like that, so it's a bit convenience, like lebih meyakinkan gitu salah satunya. Ada lagi nggak yang selain itu?
I think I'm gonna add like the Charlie Chaplin. I think kalau misalkan cell phone, maybe we just salah lihat or something.
Or maybe she just like holding something in his ear, in her ear, something
It's
like that.
not really cell phone, but we saw it as a cell
Cell
phone. Because like
Because we know, like now we know it's a cell phone. You know.
yes,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I think it's
Mungkin.
Like
Nanda percaya nggak kalau maybe like time traveler, maybe she's one of the time traveler who bring the technology from the future. Tapi aneh juga nggak sih kalau bawa cell phone ke era itu kan nggak ada sinyal ya?
For what? Gitu kan.
Maybe it's hard to find the internet, you know.
Iya.
And like also the society juga, ya kayak gitu. Makanya kayak the knowledge of like cell phone and stuff. Society-nya juga kan belum, they're not really familiar towards things like that. Jadi kayak tahu dari mana itu cell phone gitu.
Yeah. Or maybe there's the one other possibility that that woman is actually holding a cell phone, but not all of the people still don't know about the cell phones. Like for some very VIP person who very super rich who already know about the cell phone and they're not share the technology to the others, something like that. Oh, it's another conspiracy theory.
Yeah,
Wow, it's super heavy.
Yeah.
How if someone live for like they never meet? Oh come on, what say that? How about if they are immortal?
Immortal. I want to be immortal.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want to?
I don't want to.
Why?
Because, like,
Why?
if you are going to be someone that immortal,
Yeah.
panjang umur.
Immortal is not panjang umur. Immortal
like
is
immortal, not
never
mortal.
die.
Not die.
Not die.
Terus
Yeah, I
like,
want to like.
yeah, more like panjang umur ya, because we can die,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Mortal is not die. Immortal is not die.
People around us, they can die if only us, the one that immortal, we are going to like saw our people.
Oh yeah.
Pass
Oh,
away.
Like we're
Yeah.
losing our own kind,
Yeah.
gitu kan. We're
Oh,
losing
yeah.
our own circle.
Never mind. I don't want to be immortal no more.
Change.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
gonna be good if you're someone who maybe have a social butterfly skill,
Yeah.
who can easily get too close to any other
Yes.
people. Maybe it's gonna be good for you. But for other people who really appreciate kayak menghargai sekali sebuah pertemuan,
Yeah.
it's gonna be so sad watching all of your friends die one by one.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be so hurt. I can imagine that. I mean like ngebayangin orang-orang di sekitarmu meninggal satu persatu, it's gonna be so painful.
Yeah.
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 You're not gonna die. You know,
And
like
you're not gonna
Yeah.
die, and you're gonna live
you're gonna live
forever.
with the memory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The memory that you're the only one who have that memory.
Yeah.
The fact
Oh my
about that, oh my god, I have a goosebumps. right
Might as well be crazy. Like.
now. Yeah. It's also happened in some of the movie when they have a long age, they usually get bored with their life. Jadi mereka mencari keseruan yang
Yeah.
maybe little bit unusual.
Yeah, a little bit wild.
They're a little bit wild because they're already lived so long. Mereka udah punya banyak experience.
Yeah.
Jadi kalau
Yeah,
melalui
so
hal
many.
yang sama terus kan,
Ya bosan.
jadi
Just repeat the face.
yeah, repeat the faces and they try to do something unusual. It's a little bit creepy actually.
Yeah, the time travel may be possible just because, or maybe if they are immortal person.
Oh, so they because they don't want to die, they try to repeat the history to go back to the past, something like that.
Yeah, like what I said, it's the Earth, our the Earth itu pernah maju tuh.
Yeah.
In advanced technology about maybe 2 or 3 times. It's repeat again. Since, just because war,
Yeah.
high scale of war, then we go back into dark ages. No one know about Nabi Adam and also.
Yeah,
If
maybe
Adam and Eve, we
maybe
don't
Adam
know.
already have like Buraq
Yeah.
or
And
Buraq is actually some technology who
Yeah.
like a transportation who can bring you anywhere in a blink of an eye, something like
So
that.
fast.
and that's
Practical.
happened in
Yeah.
our Quran.
Mm-mm.
Let's not talk about religion.
Not safe.
Okay,
You
okay.
once said that we adopt our technology from aliens.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which technology that you think that we adopted from the alien?
It's easy. How could you know that if you collecting 2 or 3 electronic like electronic things, you know, that small things you try to construct with a module or something, and you know, nah, this is a radio. Just because I put this one, and this one, it become a
Oh.
radio. How could you know?
Because too many part maybe on the cell phone, too many part on the
Oh.
Yeah.
radio. How could it be when you put all of that little pieces together and it's become the radio, something like that?
Who started that?
Smart guy.
Smart random
Someone
person,
Some random
Someone-
smart guy.
someone more smarter than
Yeah.
us, of course,
Genius
obviously.
guy.
Someone who have IQ maybe 1,000
Yeah.
or maybe
Oh, wow.
3,000, something like that.
Who's one? You Bluetooth and also signal.
Yeah. Well.
I don't know. Even though maybe we live on this kind of further civilization,
Yeah.
I still didn't get it how actually people can communicate through the cell
Yeah.
phone, and they're all of the data they can bring to the one cell phone to the
Oh,
other cell phone
yeah.
just from the air, which is nothing. I mean, kalau kita pakai kabel kan ada sarananya
Yeah,
kan.
yeah.
Gitu
We can
kan.
see it
We
gitu
can
kan.
see it through the cable,
Oh,
something
lewat
like that.
sini gitu.
But when it's through the air, maybe just like what happened actually in the air. So
Yeah.
above us is actually
can just, like,
data.
We can
Actually
video call
happen.
someone
Kabel
from
yang
like the other
invisible,
part of
yeah.
the world gitu
Uh-uh.
kayak kok bisa sih?
Kadang suka mikir apakah di angan-angan di sini di ruangan yang terlihat kosong di mata kita sebenarnya data lagi seliweran ya, soalnya kita nggak tahu kan.
Iya.
Siapa tahu ini dari data NASA atau apa kayak kode nuklir. Kita nggak pernah tahu kan.
Yeah.
So have you ever believed that maybe our technology is not really ours?
Yeah, well, maybe I believe it, but if it comes from alien, I don't really believe it, you know. Maybe it comes from like, I don't know, like from, you know, any other creature that's not alien. I refuse
Okay.
to believe it's from alien, okay?
I also do reviews. I believe that it's from. I mean,
Yeah.
like if our technology is really from alien, it's not gonna be a process.
Yeah.
Karena kan teknologi kita juga dari zaman yang
Yeah.
telepon kabel dulu.
Iya, ada evolusinya gitu
Ada
kan.
evolusi. Bukan
There's
manusia
like
aja yang
history.
evolusi ya.
Yeah.
Teknologi
Yeah.
juga evolusi.
Yeah.
Kalau beneran dari alien mah langsung maju aja sekalian.
Iya,
Yeah.
langsung praktis. How
Gimana,
about
Pak?
that?
We're arguing your statement.
Even I'm loving my opinion, you know.
We arguing your opinion.
Yeah, nice. I still do believe in that. It's not from us. It's from God. Sometimes when the ancient people they see God, they saw God in that time. It's not real God, but someone who has more advanced technology.
Oke, maybe like an old civilization kayak peradaban zaman dulu kan sering mengibaratkan ada dewa-dewa,
Yeah,
something
could
like that.
be.
Like one entity with a higher power,
Yeah.
something like that, yang mereka anggap sebagai entitas yang memiliki superpower
Yeah.
gitu ya.
Actually
alien
powerful.
gitu.
Give them something like gifts,
Yeah.
give them something like
Blessings.
anugerah, blessing, something like that.
Blessing.
Aduh, agak ngeri ya kalau gitu.
Wait.
I don't believe in that.
But if we're talking about alien, you believe in alien? You do?
In my opinion, the alien, just like God, what I said, it came from our civilization, but it happened on the past. There are ancient civilization
Okay.
who's advanced, just like in Saranjana
Okay,
City
okay,
and
okay.
so on, and they just travel outside the rotation of the Earth to find to jump to the loop, like to, for example, they start from year 0 or maybe 01, they jump to 2000 years
Okay.
from the rotation, and that's could happen, right?
What proof that make you believe that alien exists? The most
Yes.
powerful proof.
It's something like this. If we know that a portal could happen, right? A portal could happen for, if you are Muslim, we read Quran about that, about when our Prophet goes from one point to the one point. It happened. For example, if you want to travel, it's just like you have been uploaded and you are gonna be downloaded in any place. It happened like
Okay.
You can be placed in anywhere gitu.
yeah, anywhere and any time. Just because when you uploading your video into the cloud or something, then you gonna download it anytime in
Yeah.
any place. It could happen, right? That's
Okay,
the
okay.
logic that
Oh
I
my
believe.
Okay.
And now you are uploading. Someone upload you as yourself or your mind. You're gonna be uploaded into something real. I don't know, kind of universe. But then 100 or 200 years later, people gonna download you yourself, your memory, your everything. Then you just skip 200 years.
Like suddenly.
Like
suddenly
suddenly.
appear. And that's what I believe.
Okay. How about all of you? What that makes you believe alien exists or maybe not exist, and what the reason you believe it or not believe
Because
it?
it's very fictional, like
Very
it just doesn't
fictional.
make sense.
Yes.
Yeah, like all of
it
it.
doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Kayak, hah? Iya ya.
Okay. So you're not believing.
No.
How about
I
it?
don't.
Why you're not believing it?
Because kayak yang tadi itu contohnya like when a woman about like the cell phone stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, even right now I'm studying teknologi informasi.
Yeah,
Itu
okay.
maksudnya ada sejarahnya gitu loh.
Okay.
There's a
Yeah.
history. Jadi kayak and I like about alien, yeah, I agree with Karissa because
Yeah.
that sounds so fictional.
Yeah.
And kayak emang iya gitu loh.
Okay,
It's so
okay.
hard to believe.
Okay, yeah. I also don't believe that our technology is coming from alien, but somehow
Dikeroyok.
I do believe that alien exists. I mean, like from all of the possibility. I mean, like we live on Earth. We live on Earth. We have so many
Oh,
creatures.
yeah.
We have human. We have animal. We have a mammal. We have a lizard, and all of that creature.
Plants.
Why alien doesn't exist from all of that creature?
They are hiding.
They can be hiding from ours.
Why
I mean,
did
like
they hide from
animal
us?
can be so good at hiding. Why alien not?
Oh.
They're hiding.
Kita bisa bersembunyi dari mantan-mantan
Yeah.
kita, kenapa alien tidak?
Oh my
Gitu
God,
kan?
yeah. Wait, but I also
Out
do
of
believe
topic.
like that we're not the only creature,
Right.
but like in my imagination, the other creatures are just like us, like a human shape.
Yeah.
Not
That's like,
alien,
No,
like
no,
not
no.
alien that
Yeah.
flies UFO.
Not alien like with the green
Yeah, just like
have
a
a lot of
human
like
shape,
weird
like a human
ears.
form.
and have a lot of tentacle and something
Yeah,
like that.
oh my God, that's so scary.
Maybe just maybe from all of the planet, from all of the universe, there's a one creature exists. Maybe look like a lizard, look like an animal, but they don't really can think just like human. They're
Yeah.
just lives like animal, but
Yeah.
in other planet they can count as alien too, right?
Hey,
Right.
wait. I have a theory about it. I found a theory about the lizard man. Have you
The
ever read
lizard
about
man?
No, I
No.
haven't.
that? Have you know dinosaur?
Dinosaurs.
Yes.
Because my name is actually Iqbal Saurus,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I do
So
believe in
dinosaur.
dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Iklan. Okay, about the dinosaur, they live between us right now, and they try to appear just like us.
Oh, so the dinosaurs
Oh.
actually have been evolved
Evolved.
to
Yeah.
look like
It's
human.
not like
Looks
it's
like
not their
human.
real form. Like
Yeah.
they can change to dinosaur.
It's called form shifting or
Oh,
Africa.
shape shifting.
Shape
shifting. Yeah.
Shape shifting. That's it.
Oh,
I skipped that on TikTok. You know?
so they can transform in something like Autobot or
Uh,
polymorph, something like
Of
that.
course not. They seems like human or a normal human being, but they sometimes very famous and popular person.
I know that's your. I know.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
yeah, yeah.
Maybe some an artist, something like that.
Artists and also maybe president.
Oh, that's so cool.
The leader
Whoa.
of
I
a
know, I know.
country.
What if like oh my god no.
Can you imagine like
Just tell us about
like
it.
there's a one country ruled by an old dinosaurs,
Yeah, what
and
if
he can be
Biden
raw
is
raw
the
or something.
dinosaur?
Marah dikit raw.
And suddenly when the president tried to speech, he suddenly like raw.
The society gonna be shocked though.
I can't even imagine it. But the possibility still exists. I mean, like, until right now, we never know what
Yeah.
happened to
Yeah.
the dinosaurs,
Yeah.
why they
Yeah.
disappear from
Mhm.
Earth.
Yeah.
There's a lot of possibility. Some people say that they disappear because of meteorite destroy the
yeah.
Earth. Ada beberapa yang bilang karena memang ada spesies baru yang lebih superior daripada dinosaurs, gitu kan.
They're never going extinct, you know. They
Oh.
just evolve to be.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I mean, like, dinosaurs always known as a creature who have a big body.
Yeah, yeah.
But back then, if human have the same size as we are right now, don't you think that the one who's gonna be
Extinct.
extinct is human because they're
Yeah.
gonna die because of dinosaurs?
Yeah.
They evolve.
Iya
Like
kan?
a human in early age, they around 2 and 3 meters, like giants. But
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
right now we just only 1.5. You know,
Yeah.
In Indonesia.
Especially.
so do with the
Dinosaur.
lizard. and
Lizard.
Oh, okay,
the
okay, okay.
dinosaur. Maybe they evolved to be smaller just because the oxygen decrease.
Oh
more.
yeah. Because
Oh,
the Darwin's theory also said that the ones who makes kera itu berevolusi menjadi manusia adalah atmosfer zaman
Yeah.
purba.
Yeah.
Itulah kenapa hewan-hewan saat ini nggak berevolusi karena atmosfernya udah bukan atmosfer purba.
Yeah.
Atmosfernya udah polusi. Kan?
Yeah. Waduh.
Kan gitu.
Tapi iya sih, bener.
Ya kan?
That's
Karena ada beberapa teori-teori Darwin yang bilang yang membuat berevolusi adalah atmosfer zaman purba yang memang sudah berbeda daripada atmosfer kita. Gitu.
If-
But the truth is when we're facing the COVID, our atmosphere is become better, right?
Yeah.
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 Actually, yeah.
Iya kan kayak beberapa hewan-hewan selama kita lockdown 2 tahun itu ya.
Iya, agak
Selama
makmur ya.
Agak makmur.
Iya.
Bahkan I ever heard the news that flamingo exists on the Ganga River in India, something like that.
Wow.
During the COVID.
During the COVID. I mean like
Oh wow.
the earth not touched by human for 2 years. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Only 2 years and a
Only
lot of
2 years.
It's a punishment, I guess,
Yeah.
for exploiting, you know.
But like only 2 years.
yeah.
Yeah, only 2 years. After
only
that,
2 years and
But-
animal already almost menduduki seluruh kehidupan.
But that's scary.
What will happen if we stay at home for maybe more
Like a
decades?
decade.
decade.
Mungkin
We're gonna
hewan-hewan
extinct.
wah, mungkin hewan-hewan akan kembali berevolusi
Yeah.
kan
They're gonna
gitu.
rule our world.
Iya, jadi balik lagi ya, kayaknya I do believe that aliens exist and dinosaurs is part of the process that we need to believe that. Karena ada beberapa orang yang masih nggak percaya kalau even dinosaurs exist. Karena ada yang bilang bahwa dinosaurs menghilang dulu dari muka bumi baru ada manusia gitu. Ada yang bilang bahwa kayak tadi sebenarnya manusia already exist from maybe 1,000 or million years ago, but they're bigger and higher than us gitu. Kayak mungkin tingginya mereka nggak 1,5 ya. Tingginya mereka puluhan meter kayak gitu.
Tapi kalau emang kita mau bandingin theory like scientific theory and like religious theory, sometimes it just doesn't add up, you know.
Iya.
Tapi kalau dinosaur is real, it's actually real. Soalnya ada ini kan, ada
Fossil.
fossil, ya,
Fossil.
there's
Yeah.
fossil, but like aliens. There's no proof that they exist. Yeah.
But the things that we're talking about, it's about the timeline.
Oh yeah, the timeline.
Human dulu kah? Apa maybe human also exists with the dinosaurs? Or maybe human exists after the dinosaurs disappear? Something like that. Which one did you believe in? Have you ever think that we ever live with dinosaurs?
Yes, I think we live with dinosaurs.
I do believe that Prophet Adam lived with dinosaur,
Yeah.
and the dinosaur feels like chicken for us.
Yeah. I also believe that like
Yes.
Okay.
we're much bigger than the dinosaur.
But right now, the dinosaurs is maybe like 3 or maybe 5 meters. If Nabi Adam looks dinosaurs just like a chickens, wow! I can even imagine how
Yeah.
big that is. Like, it's gonna be super huge.
Yeah.
Berarti nanti malam makan apa-apa? Makan T-Rex.
Bisa.
Iya, bisa.
Bisa.
Aduh.
Tirek rica-rica nggak, Pak? Tirek rica-rica.
Aduh. T-Rex
I can even
geprek.
imagine that.
I don't like your T-Rex. Why? Pedes.
Spicy Tirek.
Spicy T-Rex.
Level
Aduh.
berapa tuh?
Aduh,
Spicy
jauhkanlah
T-Rex
dari
sambal
Okay,
mata.
that makes
bapak-bapak
sense.
Brutosaurus.
Okay, but that makes sense. For me, that makes sense. I mean, like, not just animal who try to adjust, but humans somehow maybe do
Become
adjust,
smaller.
become
Yeah.
smaller,
Humans become
gitu kan.
smaller.
Maybe it's happened because our population is become more
Yeah.
than the usual. Kalau
Yeah.
misalnya, can you imagine like with our population right now, the size of humans still that big? Kayaknya
Yeah.
bumi ini tidak akan cukup.
Iya.
That's true,
Kan
that's
bumi
true.
ini tidak akan cukup, makanya gennya itu diturunkan untuk menyesuaikan dengan populasi
lingkungan.
kita.
Yeah, everything is for the better, right?
Iya.
Part of evolution, like what you
Part
said.
of the evolution. Just like some animals already disappear from the universe. Kayak ada kan
Yeah.
beberapa hewan-hewan, terutama yang asli Indonesia juga, udah
Yeah.
ada yang hilang gitu. Semoga ras-ras yang ada di bumi ini makin lama tidak makin hilang
Iya,
ya.
amin deh.
Semoga ya. Oke, menarik sekali. Aku jadi takut nanti bakalan makan rica-rica dinosaurus. Kayaknya aku mau cari di ojek online. Tapi sebelum itu kayaknya kita dengerin satu lagu dulu buat Pesona Inspira yang masih mau gabung bareng kita. Masih ditungguin karena we're gonna be company Pesona Inspira until maybe like 20 minutes more. So don't go anywhere. Keep stay tuned on 92.1 FM Pesona Radio, your best information station. I can speak. Oke, Pesona Inspira, kayaknya kita sudah ada di penghujung dari acara I Can Speak. Tapi sebelum kita akhiri nih, maybe for all of our announcer for today's episode, we have our own closing statement from each of us. Jadi ada yang mau disclaimer, ada yang mau mungkin memberikan pernyataan bahwa time traveler do exist. I don't believe in alien. I do believe in dinosaur. Or maybe if time traveler do exist, what you gonna do with that ability if you have the power to travel the time? Maybe start from Nanda first.
Yeah, maybe like for like my closing statement.
Yes.
I don't believe in alien.
Again.
Yeah, again, I don't believe in alien, and like about what would I do if I'm a time traveler?
Yes.
Probably I would be so happy because I can see, but like before that, I don't want to change anything in the past because those are things already happened. So what for,
Yeah.
right? I would rather looking at the future, kayak what would happen next
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah, is that apakah ada yang ada kejadian menyenangkan di depan sana gitu loh. It's like apakah mimpi-mimpi aku tercapai or not? Yeah, it's like more exciting for me.
Okay.
And and I do, setelah dipikir-pikir aku kayaknya setuju that a time traveler must be an immortal person.
Okay.
Ya karena kayak as we talked before, immortal person because he or she has been lived for like a long time, has so many experience. Jadi dia kayak
pengen
pindah kemana-mana tuh dia udah tahu gitu loh. Kayak what situations, kayak udah apal gitu
Jadi
loh.
knowledge-nya pasti banyak gitu
Yeah.
ya.
Iya,
Gitu
kayak
kan.
jam terbangnya udah banyak. Jadi kayak udah biasa aja menghadapi situasi kayak gimana pun gitu loh. Kayak
Oke.
so, jadi dia kalau misalnya mau like pindah zaman atau kayak pindah masa gitu kayak udah nggak mikir what would happen karena
Yeah.
pasti udah pernah
He's
ngalamin
used
gitu
to.
loh. Yeah, it's easy for kayak for he or she, I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Karissa.
Okay, for me, if I can travel to the future, the first thing I want to know is who my lifelong partner is.
I know you.
Yeah. You know, like, have I met him or
No,
like,
oh my
or
God,
you know,
no,
kayak,
Is he
or my God,
around,
met him
right?
gitu. Terus, I would want to know like what my future job will be and like
Okay,
how you know just how my life would be. And when I back to this present life, I would tell myself that everything's gonna be alright gitu loh. Kayak ya.
Okay.
In the future,
okay,
you're gonna be
yeah.
alright.
Okay.
Gitu.
Okay. So,
Okay. Yeah.
For me, if time traveler really exists
Mhm.
and we can do that, I think I'm not gonna change anything from the past
Mm.
because that what make us this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kayak kalau kita ya kembali lagi deh
Yeah.
kalau kita cuma ganti sedikit aja,
Yeah.
like a little action from the past, it can make a big
Difference,
impact
yeah.
and make a big difference in the future. Tapi
Mhm.
kalau misalkan melihat future-nya kita,
Mm.
it was more like exciting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Oh,
really
okay.
exciting, of course.
Kayak apa nih yang akan terjadi
Oh,
di
iya.
hidup
Yeah, yeah.
Is there something?
Okay. Why, Mr. Arvin?
I don't know what to say, but still believe in UFO because
Still.
yeah, they came from ancient time, pretend to be God for some civilization, and then still believe in UFO.
No matter
Okay,
what.
No matter what.
what.
There's nothing we can do to convince him to
Yeah.
change his mind.
Yeah.
There's nothing we can do.
Yeah, I know. It must be a villain.
Okay, but from me, maybe the first thing, if I have ability to travel to time, I don't want to go to the future.
Why?
Because life is so excited if we don't know what will
Oh,
happen,
yeah.
right? If we know what will happen in the future, maybe we're gonna
We're gonna scare.
iya, kadang kita jadi takut atau kadang kita jadi malah
Ya udahlah
melewatkan
gitu ya.
hal-hal yang sebenarnya itu bisa jadi pengalaman kita.
Ah.
Gitu.
Oh,
But I
that's
do
good
still want to
perspective.
go back to the past because back then I worried about a lot of things that will happen in the future. So
Yeah.
when I go back to the past, I just gonna say to the old me, everything's gonna be alright. You don't need to be worried about everything. Just do whatever that you want. Karena
Nice.
dulu back then in the past I worry about the things that it's not supposed to be worried.
Oh.
Gitu. Jadi bukannya ingin mengubah apapun, cuman ngasih tahu udah lakuin aja
Yeah.
gitu. To
Just
make
do your
myself
thing.
to make an old me more brave
Oh,
to
yeah.
make decision.
Yeah,
Something like
Can I say
that.
something?
Wow.
Of course.
For our, it's something like this. Our future depends on our mind. So let many things of positive things, you know.
Yeah.
Everything gonna be okay. Everything
Everything
gonna
is
be
gonna be
okay.
okay.
And then in
Yeah.
the future it's gonna be okay. I will be happy. I will be healthy. I'll be rich and so on. And it's gonna happen. Seriously,
Yeah.
because you, why it's called spell.
Spell.
Spell. Just with spelling, just like magic, you know.
Mm.
You say what you want. Like you say
A
what
manifestation.
you want. Manifestation. Like the
Manifestation.
positive things.
Focus on the things that you can control.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Don't think too much on the things that you can control.
Oh,
Like
wow.
people opinion, you can control it. Don't
Yeah,
focus on that.
Yeah.
You can control your behavior, so focus on that.
Yeah. Yes.
Something
Yes.
like
Wow.
I
that. Wow.
Wow.
Mendadak
I do
bijak.
agree that-
Positive sekali.
Wow.
I do agree that positive mind will create positive energy,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
positive energy will create positive activities.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow,
So,
di
wow.
akhir episode
Wow.
kenapa kita menjadi bijak?
Dari topik apa jadi positif.
Yeah, because our brain reflecting like
Yeah.
just like signal a tower signal, you know.
Oh, okay,
If we
okay,
bring
okay.
positive into Earth, universe, it go back to us
Yeah.
more and more positive. Wow.
Wow, luar
Wow.
biasa ya. Agak jomplang pembahasannya
Yeah.
dengan
Oh my
berbagai konspirasi, tapi itulah yang biasa terjadi. Okay, thank you so much for
Okay.
Persona Inspira who already listened to us for maybe the past 2 hours. Don't forget every Monday.
Yes.
Will be accompanied Persona Inspira always with I Can Speak. Jadi selalu dengarkan kita di setiap hari Senin jam 12 sampai dengan jam 2 siang. Tentunya masih bareng special announcer yang lainnya dengan topik-topik yang gak kalah menarik.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Iqbal Santosa pamit.
Marvis Dewan.
I'm Wifa.
I'm Karissa.
I'm Ananda.
Dan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.